Okay, so to do our double treble crochet, we're going to yarn over 3 times. So wrap that yarn 3 times around your hook, insert your hook into the next stitch with the top 2 loops, pull up a loop, and we're going to work off 2 at a time. So yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops, yarn over, pull the third 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. So again, we yarn over 3 times, insert our hook into our next stitch, pull up a loop, and work off 2 at a time. First 2, yarn over second 2, yarn over third 2, yarn over fourth 2. So normal speed, I get 3 that time, it's going to look like this. So just remember, for the double treble, you're going to wrap 3 times and you're always working off 2 loops at a time. So 1, 2, 3, insert your hook into your next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over second 2, yarn over third 2, yarn over fourth 2. So that is the super fast double treble crochet refresher. If you need a slower, more in-depth tutorial, check out my double treble crochet tutorial, and thank you for watching.